Are you ready to drill some holes? Well, I certainly am, because today I get to try out some beautiful drilling and tapping machines from Yen Power. The DTM series has 3 models. All of them incorporate a built-in brushless DC motor and can be customized to meet CE standards. The heart of the DTM series is the built-in single-phase brushless DC motor. It allows for super high torque even at low speed, which ensures smooth, stable drilling operations. There is also no need for belt or gear adjustments, which will speed up your production process. Now let's take a quick look at the controls. We've got everything that's needed for smooth operation. Here we have an infinitely variable speed dial that lets you go all the way from 100 up to 1800 RPM. Now at the front, the operator can always check the spindle speed thanks to this digital indicator. We have a protective shield with sensor and an automatic shut-off function. And with this knob here you can easily adjust the cutting depth. Finally, we also have an emergency button, easily accessible for the operator. Alright, so now it's time to drill some holes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna drill a pilot hole first, and then we'll perform some actual drilling as well as chamfering. Let's do it. The brushless DC motor ensures a constant drilling rate, which makes a huge difference and will boost your productivity over conventional drills. You can find more information about these fine drilling and tapping machines on the Yen Power website, or you just contact them right now.